Now we will prepare the delicious dessert. The ingredients are espresso, sugar, lady finger you can buy in the international supermarket, yolks eggs, white eggs, cocoa, and the mascarpone cheese. Now we can start. We take the yolks eggs, we put inside sugar. The mix. Okay, now you mix very well the mascarpone.
We had the shortest time. You had to go, but I'm just so happy.
We mix very well. Okay, the first step is over. Now we start the second step. We mix together the sugar and the white eggs, similar to the meringa. Now we have the soft cream. We mix together the merengue yolks cream. And mix very, very slowly. Allora, we not mix in only one time all together, in 2-3 different times. Okay, now I make the tiramisu cream. In the restaurant, we will use the big dish for much portion, but for the family in your home, you can use the small cup, the monoportion cup, and this is very easy. Okay, now I put in the bowl the espresso coffee, not too much hot. I not want to broke the Savoyardi biscuits. Okay, we cut. We put the cream in the glass. Okay, now dip the Savoyardi very, very quick. Okay, more cream. Okay. Okay, now the film is ready, we can put it in the refrigerator 4 hours and you can eat your tiramisu. After 4 hours, the tiramisu is okay, it's ready. We remove the Now we can finish with the cacao powder. Tiramisu dessert, very delicious and very easy. Why you not try this it at home?
So it's a bit controversial, but I think that it's still a wonderful dessert to present and to introduce to everybody in the world. And it's a signature dessert, I think, for the Italian cuisine. Myself, I can do it very easily. I have a good recipe. I think that Manuel's recipe is also, my children love it. So we do it quite often at home. And it's always really welcome as a dessert. So we pair it today with a sweet wine, I guess.
Yes, today I did choose this very, very noble Sicilian wine, is a Marsala. Marsala wine comes from the city of Marsala on the coast of western Sicily, and got famous long time back. In 1773, a British sailor, Mr. John Woodhouse, was having great troubles with his ship offshore Marsala. He had to enter in the port of Marsala, and he drank a sip of this excellent wine that the local sailors were drinking, that comes from the Marsala vineyard of western Sicily. He got so much in love that he brought tins of this Marsala wine back to the British Isles, and then from there on it did spread the reputation in Europe. This is a very, very old and noble wine, Marsala, that is excellent for dessert.
Cheers then.
Salute. Fantastic. Bellissimo.
So we start. Very nice. The Savoiardi, it's a dry cookie, it's a biscuit, very dry, but when you soak it in coffee, the consistency is like a cake. So it's accompany very well the cream. It's light, but because it's made with mascarpone, it has a body, a full body that you can really taste it.
Mascarpone cheese. Buonissimo.
Very nice.
But on my opinion, there is no dessert without a very good wine for dessert. This is really an ecstasy.
Good pairing.